In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a journal report on Xero in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Now, if you're working with Xero, you probably already know how important it is to keep track of all those little details for your business records. So today, let's walk through the process step by step to create a journal report that can serve as a critical component of your business's financial record keeping. Let's begin by navigating to the Xero dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to get to the main dashboard. This will serve as our starting point. The dashboard is your central hub, providing an overview of all your business's financial activities, but for our purpose, we'll be delving deeper into the accounting details. Once you're at the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on the option labeled Accounting. This section is where you'll find all your financial reports, transactions, and accounting settings. Clicking on Accounting is your gateway to accessing all the detailed and essential financial information you need. After selecting Accounting, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to click on Reports. The Reports section showcases a variety of reports that Xero can generate, from basic financial statements like income statements and balance sheets to more detailed reports such as our focus today, the journal report. When you enter the reports section, use the search bar to find the journal report quickly. Just type journal report into the search field. This feature is incredibly handy when you're looking for a specific report among the numerous options available. Once you've typed in the search term, the journal report should appear as one of the options. Now that you've located the journal report in the search results, simply click on it. This will open up the journal report for you to view. The journal report provides a detailed record of all the financial transactions within a specified period. It's an essential report that helps you review the debits and credits for each account, and that's it. You've successfully navigated through Xero to open a journal report. The journal report in Xero is a powerful tool for accountants and business owners alike, offering transparency and insights into financial activity. Knowing how to access it efficiently will significantly aid your financial analysis and auditing tasks. As you delve into your journal report, you can adjust the date range and other parameters to tailor the report to your specific needs. Remember, keeping track of these reports is crucial for accurate record keeping and financial planning. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made the process a little clearer for you. Happy accounting!